Good morning, 8th graders. Week 22. Happy Monday. Here is what we are going to be doing this week. This week we will, if you click on our week 22 assignments, we are going to be spending independent work time. Our asynchronous work this week is mostly finishing the Imagine Learning tests, meaning the benchmark and also the reading level assessment. And if you have not finished those, that is your homework. If you have finished them, I would really recommend that you go back to week 21 and, nope, not that one, and that you do the Dystopia WebQuest introduction, which is extra credit, but it will also really help you prepare for doing the Giver this week and in subsequent weeks as we read the whole book. You'll also notice in our Unit 5 that we now have a PDF link and the audiobook by chapter for those of you who did not get the supply bags from school. If you do have the physical book, we will be going by chapter numbers in there. Yes, you may still listen to the audio on your own. We are going to be reading chapter 1 in class on Thursday or Friday. On Tuesday or Wednesday's class, we are going to be doing an introductory activity that involves a lot of argument and support of your opinion. And on Thursday or Friday, we will be reading chapter 1 and talking about it. We will also have an exit ticket. If you're not sure how to actually check whether or not you are done with the Imagine tests, first, on the placement test, you know you're done because you will see a pop-up on the screen that says, "Congratulations, you finished the test," or "Great job, you finished the test." For the reading level assessment, you're not going to see anything, but you will hear an announcement that says you've finished the test. So if you muted your computer or you missed that, here's the fail-proof way to check. If you go into your grades and you see the actual listing for week 21 Imagine tests, you'll see whether or not you have a grade. If you have a grade there, that means you finished both of them, and you can look at the comment over here. All comments end up showing up on the right-hand side, and you will see the comment that says your actual Lexile score. Now, my interpretation of this test is that it's slightly less specific in its numbering of Lexiles than the reading inventory. And of course, if it's not your best work, do not stress. I know generally how good you all are at reading. So keep working on that. Finish those up. They are currently marked missing if you aren't done. And I will be checking periodically today and tomorrow to continue updating those grades. If you have any questions about what we need to be doing this week or what you should be working on today, please send me an email or come to live instruction. There's going to be a lot of opportunity for participation points this week, and I am going to be expecting everybody's great ideas. Have a wonderful Monday, guys, and I will see you in class.